Hi friends, welcome to another video. On today's video I'll be planting my potatoes. Before I plant my potatoes, I want to show you guys exactly what it looks like, and I also want to show you what I use to sprout my potatoes. So I use these baskets. You can find them at the dollar store, and I don't know if they have them anymore, but that's where I found them. I put my potatoes here and they just sprout, and this is how they sprout. So I do that every year. Sometimes I put them in my cellar, sometimes I just leave them in a dark space in a cupboard like in my pantry, and they just sprout like this, and they look like this. Don't worry about the long sprouts. When you plant them, put the entire potato in and then just leave a little bit of the sprout sticking out, and you're gonna see in the video. That's what I did, and that's what I do every year. Now, I don't buy seed potatoes, they're just too expensive, and I think they do the same just as regular potatoes. So each year I wait for potatoes to go on sale, like when it comes to like $2.99 or $3, and I buy like 4 or 5 bags, and then I just leave them to sprout, and that's what I do. I just buy organic potatoes. And yeah, so today I planted a white potato, a yellowish potato, and a red potato. So I did 3 beds, but I still have some more, so I'm gonna plant them somewhere else. But yeah, that's basically it. don't need to be buying seed potatoes. You can just buy regular organic potatoes, sprout them like I said, and you have potatoes. And I always get loads and loads of potato. I get like a bumper harvest every single year. I leave the potatoes, I put them in a trench, and then I just barely put dirt on them. And as soon as they have leaves and they start to the leaves are big and full, then as you can see, I leave some soil on the side, and those soil I'm just going to be putting it on top. Then I'm going to put straw and dirt and all kind of stuff that I have in my here in my garden on top of it to heal them, and I get loads and loads of potatoes. Each year I get lots of potatoes. I share with my family, my friends, and then I keep some for myself because I just get a nice bumper harvest. And I didn't give them any fertilizer, no bone meal or anything. But once the leaves come out and they're looking really nice, then I'm going to give them a nice side dressing of compost and bone meal, and then I just give them lots of compost tea until they're ready to be harvested. So that's what I do. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Remember, you're beautiful. Say something positive to someone today, and ciao ciao. I'll see you in the next video.